I must get to Elora City. They are in danger.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger?
An army is coming. I must warn them.
Hang on. Slow down. You've been in a crash. What do you say we get you back to my garage? I'll run a diagnostic and have you fixed up in no time.
Thank you. I appreciate the assistance.
It's no problem. So, what do I call you?
I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect B5429.
Maybe I'll just call you Clank. My name's Ratchet. Up and down. Yeah, there you go. You're a natural.
So, Spyro, do you got an idea for that? I don't know, but I don't know. What should we do? Just... Look, I met with Ratchet and Clank for a while, and did you know about it, guys? Oh yeah, Ratchet and Clank, yeah. Forgot about that. I never know that game since it was released in 2002. first of all. Well, you gotta be kidding me. Am I right? Well, what should we do then? Attack by foot? Let me think, Terrafem! Oh yeah, that's why I got a great idea. Let's attack by foot! That's what I just said is... And, shut up! It's not the captain! Hi! So these guys have not like a plan. I guess not. Guys, you want some popcorn? Sure. Thunderball, go ahead. But we're gonna get it until the morning. What they doing now? I don't know. I think they're just friends. I mean, yeah, that's a simple question, isn't it? You sure about that, Spyro? We cannot let them into Earth. Who's Rat? Who is he? A galactic ranger? Sort of, yeah. I mean, seriously, that's kind of where everything else. I mean, that's heroic for once, isn't it? And, it's on Earth, on Velden, and, that's down to us, isn't it? I mean, seriously. Alright, you deplanetize of fools. Who go first to take a lead? Hey! I said first, you pussy! No, I said it first! Hey! Why don't you just calm yourself down and why don't you guys go on at the same time, right? That's a good idea. Come on. How do we have to do this? I don't know. Maybe I should go first. Wait. The dark one has to go at the same time. Oh, yeah. I mean, seriously, guys. Dr. Nefarious is the antagonist in Up Your Arsenal, Deadlocked, A Crack in Time, and Quest for Booty, and the image of the 2016 movie and the game. And, that's hard to remember, isn't it? But we've shown Nefarious how to become a protagonist. He'll get over the silly issues that we can have a galactic rangers to try some new final stuff. Like we could save the Dragon Shores and across Q1, and that's the skateboard hopping place and a hoverboard that we've never known to enjoy for love. I did not know that Galactic Rangers, but you have known Nefarious before, isn't it? Because I have no idea what you're talking about anyway. Should you always be remembered when you stood about that good grunt? No, I do not! Yeah, whatever. But at least, we still got more to do. I'll see you guys in the later. Alright, have a good one! Fool. What? Look up. Where? Guys. Yeah? Did you hear something? Nope. Maybe just a shocking wave sound. Or it would be used to stir up on that. But, whatever it means. Well, look, listen, Tricks and Grunt. And, how do we know if we're back together in one piece? I don't know, kid. But, at least we'll give it a shot. Someday, we gotta get used to it. And you just gotta pick the right one. The right one? Yeah, the right one. Yeah. So, well, can I watch some video games cutscene? If you insist.